我是副老师。我们觉得很遗憾，你生病没有跟我们在一起。我们每天上课尤其是参加数学课的时候，我们会想到说，Brian 可以帮我们解很多好玩的题目。不在的时候，我们会很想念你。我们也希望你赶快病可以赶快好，要听妈妈的话，像周杰伦一样，好不好？然后要多吃一点东西，然后呢，数学不要忘记你最爱的数学，再多为我们学校得一些奖回来，祝你健康，祝你可以早日康复，也可以常常在网络上或者是部落格上或是 Facebook 可以听到你的消息。拜拜。
Hi Brian, I miss you a lot. I enjoy having you so much in class and want you to come back soon, but I want you to get well and take care of yourself. You're a great guy, I love you, and see you soon, okay?
Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now.
Yeah, I could use a dream or a genie or a wish to go back to a place much simpler than this. Cause after all the partying and smashing and crashing, and all the glitz and the glam and the fashion, and all the pandemonium and all the madness, there comes a time where you fade to the blackness. And when you're staring at that phone in your lap, and you hoping but them people never call you back. But that's just how the story unfolds. You get another hand soon after you fold. And when your plans unravel in the sand, what would you wish for if you had one chance? So airplane, sorry I'm late. I'm on my way, so don't close that gate. If I don't make that, then I switch my flight, and I'll be right back at it by the end of the night.
Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now.
Yeah, somebody take me back to the days before this was a job, before I got paid, before it ever mattered what I had in my bank. Yeah, back when I was trying to get a tip at Subway, and back when I was rapping for the hell of it. But nowadays we rapping to stay relevant. I'm guessing that if we can make some wishes out of airplanes, then maybe, oh maybe I'll go back to the days before the politics that we call the rap game. And back when ain't nobody listened to my mixtape. And back before I tried to cover up my slang. But this is for Decatur, what's up, Bobby Ray? So can I get a wish to end the politics and get back to the music that started this shit? So here I stand, and then again I say, I'm hoping we can make some wishes out of airplanes. I can really use a wish right now. A wish right now.
We miss you, Brian, get better.
Love you.
Cause you're hot, then you're cold, you're yes, then you're no.
Yo, this boy is sick, okay? He's sick. It's not a laughing matter.
What?
Soggy man.
Okay, go. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Yo!
You missed it!
I didn't know it was a high five. You know what told me that?
I told you!
No, you didn't.
No, it's okay. Are you videotaping?
It's okay.
知你了吧？
我的 pandemonium。
Sandra!
Okay, go.